In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert tables in Confluence. If you're organizing schedules, tracking tasks, or comparing options, tables make your pages clearer and easier to scan. I'll walk you through the process from placing your table to formatting it and saving your changes, so you can build clean, readable pages with confidence. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want the table to live. At the top right corner, click Edit to enter the page editor. This switches the page into an editable view, so any changes you make will be reflected once you publish. Next, place your cursor exactly where you want the table to appear. This matters because Confluence will insert the table right at that spot. If you're working within a longer page, you can add a blank line to create space. Then click to set the insertion point. Now insert the table. In the toolbar, look for the Insert Table icon. It looks like a small grid. Click it, then choose how many columns and rows you need based on your content. Don't worry if you're not sure. You can always adjust the size later. If you're following along and need access, there's a link to Confluence at the top of the description to help you get to the editor quickly. With your table on the page, start adding content. Click inside any cell to type your text. Use the Tab key to move to the next cell as you go, and press Shift plus Tab to move back to the previous cell. This keeps your hands on the keyboard and helps you fill out rows efficiently. If you need to fine-tune the layout, hover over the borders of your table to resize columns. You'll see handles that let you drag and adjust widths so your text fits nicely. For structure changes, right-click or use the three dots menu on the table to add or delete rows and columns. For readability, use the toolbar to format text inside cells, bold for headers, italics for emphasis, or color to highlight key items. These small touches make your table easier to scan and understand. When everything looks good, save your work by clicking Publish at the top right corner. This makes your changes visible to anyone with access to the page and ensures your updates won't be lost. Tables are a great way to present structured information clearly, whether you're listing tasks, mapping out timelines, or creating side-by-side comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create clean, useful tables in Confluence.